Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Showtime on Roku, quick fix step by step clearly. To activate Showtime on your Roku device, start by turning on your Roku. Ensure that your Roku is connected to your television and internet. Navigate to the home screen by pressing the home button on your remote. Scroll down to the streaming channels option in the menu. Select the search channels option from the streaming channels list. Type Showtime into the search bar and select it when it appears in the results. Choose the Showtime app from the search results and select the Add Channel option. Once the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Scroll down to find the Showtime app among your installed channels. Open the Showtime app by selecting it. You will be prompted to sign in or start a free trial. If you already have a Showtime account, enter your login information. If you are new to Showtime, select the option to start your free trial. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. Once logged in, you should be able to access your Showtime content. If you encounter any issues, make sure that your Roku software is up to date. To check for updates, go to Settings from the home screen. Select System, and then choose System Update. After ensuring your Roku is updated, try launching the Showtime app again. You are now ready to enjoy your Showtime shows and movies on Roku. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.